Primary challenge I face as a developer when I see a security issue be raised in a pull request is knowing what to fix and how to fix it. With GitHub Copilot Autofix, I get clear information about what's wrong with my code and a suggestion on how to resolve the problem. I can commit that suggestion right here, and the scan will rerun so that way I can be assured that the fix did in fact resolve the issue. This is great to ensure that new code doesn't get pushed with vulnerabilities, but what about my existing tech debt? If I bring up an existing alert, I can allow Copilot Autofix to generate the fix for me. I will see that updated information about what went wrong with my code and the opportunity to create a brand new pull request with that updated fix. With GitHub Copilot Autofix, found means fixed.